Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a very easy rasmalai recipe. We're going to start off by boiling 6 cups of milk and make sure to stir occasionally. Once the milk is up to a boil, we're going to add 5 or 6 cardamom. Make sure you stir occasionally to prevent the milk from sticking to the bottom. Now we're going to add 1/3 cup of sugar and mix well. Now I'm going to turn my flame to a very low setting and we're going to start making our rasmalai dough. For the dough, you will need 1 cup of dry milk, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and we're going to mix well to combine. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of room temperature butter and we're going to mix this in with the rest of our ingredients. Now I'm whisking 1 medium egg to add to our dough. Now I'm going to add half of my egg mixture and combine. Now I'm adding the remaining egg mixture. You can add more or less depending on the size of the egg. This is what the dough should look like, and now I'm going to start making little balls. From this recipe, you're going to get about 7 or 8 balls. Now I'm going to make little circles and I'm going to add them straight into the milk. If you allow the dough to rest, they're going to break inside the milk. So do not allow them to rest, add them straight in. After about a minute, we're going to flip the little circles. Now I'm adding some pistachios and we're going to allow this to cook for about 2 minutes on low heat. After about 2 minutes, we're going to turn off the flame and allow the rasmalai to cool inside the pan for 1 hour. Once the rasmalai is cooled, we're going to transfer it to our serving dish and put it in the refrigerator. This is best served chilled. I'm going to garnish it with some pistachios and our rasmalai is ready to eat. If you enjoy this recipe, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.